Today we're going to be replacing the keycaps on this keyboard right here. So there is a few different benefits for doing something like this. Maybe our old keycaps are a little bit worn or faded, or we just want a really bright color, or something that suits the theme of your home setup. We'll be able to see a before and after. You can see exactly how easy it is, and maybe this is something you'll consider doing. The keycaps we'll be using today are from the Tai-Hao range, and these are just two of their many colors. As we can see, we do have a lot more keycaps than we actually need for our keyboard. This is just to give us some extra options and different sizing for some of the larger keys, as some keyboards do have different layouts. All we need to remove our keycaps is a keycap puller. So all we need to do is place it underneath the cap. And once it's in place, just gently lift it up. Not too much force is required. I like to remove all the small keys first, just to give us more space to deal with the larger ones. Once all the keycaps have been removed, not a bad idea to maybe just make sure the keyboard is nice and clean. Just some type of brush will do the job there. Replacing the keycap is quite easy. All we need to do is make sure it's the right way up, place it on top, and then gently press, and done. And that's it. As we can see, it's not a difficult process and just a nice alternative to just rejuvenate your old board without completely replacing it. If you do want to check out the rest of the range of keycaps from Tai-Hao, all the links will be down below. And thank you so much for watching.